Hi students, we will continue with question number 2. Last video it was very short because I lost connection in between, so I was unable to continue that section. Okay, so look at the question number 2. You have a triangle ABC, triangle ABC, and the coordinates of A is given as 0, 0, 6. The coordinate of B is 0, 4, 0. The coordinates of C is 6, 0, 0. Now, find the length of the medians of the triangle. So median matlab it is a line segment from one vertex to the opposite midpoint of the opposite side. So it is the midpoint of the opposite side. You can draw three medians. From B, you can draw median to AC. Similarly, from A, you can draw median to um, AB, and from A you can draw median to BC. So you can just name this as DEF. DEF. We need to find the length, that is AD, BE, AD, BE, and CF. So we can use distance formula to find the length. So for that, we need to, suppose if you want to find AD, you need the coordinate of A and T. But here we can use the concept that it is a midpoint. So this BD and DC are said is a midpoint because median is the line segment from one vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So ये तीनों median का intersection point है, उसको बोलते हैं centroid. So that will come later. In the next question, that concept of centroid is there. Okay. So median का जो intersection point, that is known as centroid. Now, so anyway, just for information, I'm just telling that this is known as centroid. That is not needed in this concept. Okay, now we can find the coordinate of D. D is the midpoint of BC. It is 0 plus 6, that is 6 divided by 2, 3. 4 plus 0, 4 divided by 2, 2. 0 plus 0, that is 0. Similarly, you can find the midpoint of midpoint E, 0 plus 6, that is divided by 2, that is 3. 0 plus 0 divided by 2, 6 plus 0 divided by 2. And one more, EF, that is 0 plus 0 divided by 2, that is 0. 4 plus 0 divided by 2, and 0 plus 6 divided by 2. Now you can find distance formula. You can use distance formula to find AD. 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3 the whole square plus 0 minus 2 the whole square plus 6 minus 0 the whole square. So that is under root 0 minus 3 is 3, 3 square is 9, plus 2 square is 4, plus 36, which is equal to under root 49, which is equal to 7. Similarly, you can find BE. You can use distance formula. BE is equal to under root BE. So 0 minus 3, minus 3 ka square 9, plus 4 minus 0, 4, 4 ka square 16, plus 0 minus 3, minus 3 ka square 9. So 9 plus 9 plus 16, that is under root 34. Then CF, it is under root 6 minus 0, that is 6, 6 ka square 36, plus 0 minus 2, minus 2 ka square 4, plus 0 minus 3, minus 3 ka square 9. So which is equal to under root 49, which is equal to 7. So these are the length. You can say that much unit. Okay, understood? So this is question number 2. So we use the concept that median is the line segment drawing from one vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Then midpoint formula use करके उसका coordinate निकाला. Then we use distance formula to find the distance. Next question. Third one. If the origin is the centroid of the triangle PQR, so you have a triangle PQR, triangle PQR, PQR, the coordinates are given 2a, 2, 6, -4, 3b, -10, 8, 14, 2c. And what is given is origin is the centroid. So as I told you earlier, centroid matlab you can draw three medians to a triangle. Median is the line segment from one vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So there is a point of intersection of all the three medians that is known as centroid. So centroid का formula हमने पढ़ाई किया था. If you know all the three coordinates, the formula is it is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y coordinate is y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. Okay, so here what is given is it is given the centroid is origin, that means 0 0 0. That means x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 is equal to 0. X1, that is 2a plus -4 plus 8 divided by 3, that is equal to 0. So which is 2a -4 plus 8 is plus 4. Cross multiply करें तो 3 into 0 0. That is 2a is equal to -4. So you will get a is equal to -2. हमें a b c का value चाहिए. Then again y1 plus y2 plus y3, that is 2 plus 3b plus 14 divided by 3, that is equal to 0. So 3b plus 16 is equal to 3 into 0 0. So 3b is equal to -16, b is equal to -16 divided by 3. Okay, now the third one, c1 plus c2 plus c3, that is 6 plus -10 plus 2c divided by 3, that is equal to 0, because centroid is given as 0 comma 0 comma 0 because it's the origin already it is given. So 2c, 6 minus 10 is -4, that is equal to cross multiply 3 into 0 0, that is 2c is equal to 4, so c is equal to 2. So you found the value of a b c as a is equal to -2, b is equal to -16 upon 3, c is equal to 2. And if somebody asks you to find, or in the question if they ask you to find the correct coordinates, so just substitute the values of a b c there, you will get the correct coordinates of p q and r. Got it? Now, so how this centroid curve formula came, that I will let you know. Like, see this triangle, just for you to give you the idea. Maybe it will come in the exam also. A, B, C. Coordinates of A is x1, y1, z1. B is x2, y2, z2. C is x3, y3, z3. We need to find the coordinates of the centroid. So look at the centroid is the point of intersection of the medians. So we can draw three medians. This is centroid. Here is centroid. So we have to find the coordinates of that. सबसे पहले you can just call this is D. So D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. So therefore the coordinates of D is x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2, z2 plus z3 by 2. That's the coordinates of D. Okay. Now, one important point, सेंट्रोइड आपने 10वीं में पढ़ाई किया हो गई है. सेंट्रोइड divides median in the ratio 2 is to 1. That means this is 2 is to 1 रेशियो में इसको डिवाइड करेगा. सो सेंट्रोइड को आप सी दे दो. सी दैट मीन्स सी डिवाइड्स ए डी in the ratio 2 is to 1. So we can use, so A is, so हमारे पास A का कोऑर्डिनेट्स है x1 y1 z1, D का भी कोऑर्डिनेट्स है. therefore coordinates of C, you can use that formula C. so C का, so 2 is to 1 में है. so 2 into x coordinate, that is x2 plus x3 by 2 plus 1 into x1 divided by 2 plus 1, that is x coordinate, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Similarly 2 into y2 plus y3 divided by 2 plus 1 into y1 divided by 2 plus 1 and 2 into z2 plus z3 divided by 2 plus 1 into z1 the whole divided by 2 plus 1. Okay. So that is C is equal to, आप देख सकते हैं ऊपर से 2 कट हो जाएगा. देन ऊपर x2 plus x3 plus 1 into x1, that is x1. So आपको क्या मिलेगा? It is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 2 plus 1, 3. Similarly ऊपर इधर y2 कट हो जाएगा. y2 plus y3 plus y1, that is y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Similarly here also 2 cut हो जाएगा. z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. So that is why this is the proof. Okay, did you understand the proof of how to find the centroid of a coordinates of the centroid of a triangle? So sometimes they will ask you the proof, and while doing problems you can use the formula. If x1 y1 is z1, x2 y2 is z2, and x3 y3 is z3 are the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle, then the centroid has the coordinates x1 plus x2 plus 3, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. So the concept used is centroid divides the median in the ratio 2 is to 1. So we use the second formula there. उसके पहले D का coordinate चाहिए था. D is the midpoint of BC. So we got it using midpoint formula. Then A and D का point से C उसको 2 is to 1 में divide कर रहे. So we use the section formula to find the coordinates. Clear? Now we'll go to the next question. Find the coordinates of the point on the y-axis which are at a distance of 5 root 2 from the point P. Okay. So here you have, so we know that this is, I'll draw you that 3-dimension. This is your x-axis. This is your y-axis and z-axis. So y-axis में एक point, we don't know एक point, एक और I don't know how many points are. We don't know how many points are there. So points on the y-axis, it will be like 0, y, 0. So another point P, we don't know, it's a point on the space, that is 3 comma minus 2 comma 5. And what is given is the distance between these 2 points is 5 root 2. So हमें ये points निकालना है, जैसे you can name it as some q. That means what is given is PQ is equal to 5 root 2, right? This is what it is given. So PQ, use the distance formula, under root 0 minus 3 the whole square plus y minus minus 2, so y minus minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus 5 the whole square, this is equal to 5 root 2. That means 0 minus, so under root 0 minus 3 is 3, 3 square is 9, plus y plus 2 the whole square plus 5 square, that is 25, which is equal to 5 root 2. So then just square both sides, squaring both sides. So squaring, so what we will get is 9 plus, so square root chala jayega, y plus 2 the whole square plus 25 is equal to 5 square is 25 into root 2 ka square 2. So this is 9 plus, expand karo, y square plus a plus b the whole square, 4y plus 4 plus 25 is equal to 50. So that is y square plus 4y plus 25 plus 4, 29, 29 plus 9, that is 38, which is equal to 50. So that is y square plus 4y, 38 minus 50, that is minus 12, is equal to 0. So y square plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. So you have to solve it. You can use quadratic formula, otherwise you can use factorization. So it is y minus 2 into y plus 6. Y plus 6 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. So that is y is equal to minus 6 or y is equal to 2. So therefore the coordinates of the point, so points are एक point 0 minus 6 0, दूसरा point 0 2 0. So these are the 2 points which lies at a distance of 5 root 2 from the point 3 minus 2 5. Got it?